learned mitosis in Young Luck's class. Mitosis is better than going to math. Besides, there are 4 stages in this process. I don't like Young Luckbeard, I must confess. Prophase, metaphase, anaphase, telophase. After listening to this rap, you'll learn their ways. On to the first stage, that's where we'll start. I must say that this is my favorite part. The nuclear envelope pulls a Houdini. The nucleolus also disappears like a genie. Centrioles go to the poles. Visit Santa Claus, giving bad boys coal. DNA condenses into a chromosome. Then they go and chill with little garnomes. Mitosis is the bestest. Mitosis makes mitosis. Mitosis is spaghetti-osis. Mitosis, yeah, you know this. Hey diddle diddle, yeah, metaphase and the fiddle. The chromosomes line up in the middle. This area is known as the metaphase plate. Young Luck may be balding, but please don't hate. Spindle fibers extend from the centriole. Don't stop me now, cause I'm on a roll. The spindle fibers attach to the centromere. It has 3 different locations, so don't you fear. Mitosis is the bestest. Mitosis makes mitosis. Mitosis is a spaghetti. Mitosis, yeah, you know this. Our next step is called anaphase. If you don't like this, after class you'll stay. The spindles begin to shorten, that's what I say. The fibers pull the chromatids apart and away. Not to worry, the centromere won't left on the rack. It will take charge and lead the way back. You can think of the fibers as go-go gadget arms. Young Luck starts the J, eating Lucky Charms. Mitosis is the bestest. Mitosis makes mitosis. Mitosis is spaghetti-osis. Mitosis, yeah, you know this. Telophase is the last step we have to do. Don't copy this rap or I'll have to sue. This stage is the opposite of prophase. With this video, my bio grades better raise. The nuclear envelope will reappear. If you can see the nucleolus, look yourself in the mirror. The chromatids deconsent in chromatin form. Remember this, or you'll get slapped by Norm. Mitosis is the bestest. Mitosis makes mitosis. Mitosis is spaghetti-osis. Mitosis, yeah, you know this. I saw Young Luck just walking on by. I said hi, cause he's a nice guy. He sang this song in every class. Sarah, Mac, and Jacinta told him he had sass. Now everyone has mitosis fever. Get a mitosis sweater made by a weaver. Name an animal mitosis, like a beaver. If your girl don't like mitosis, then you better leave her. Escuchar a ma música o yo no viva. Mitosis is the bestest. Mitosis makes mitosis. Mitosis is spaghetti. Tosis. Mitosis, yeah, you know this. Ow! Woo! Yeah, representing YC. And Bosto, yeah, Norm Bosto. Woo, keep it fly.